Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel Anita and I like to do videos about fashion, beauty, career, style, budget, just anything I really am into. Today we're going to do a video I'm really excited about. As you know, I really love doing my nails. If you look at any of my videos before this, you see I always have nails on. And I do not like to go to the nail salon because it's expensive. It doesn't always end up how you want. So what I've been doing lately is using fake nails and press-on nails to get what I want. I'm really excited because today GLAMNETIC actually sent me some nails. They also sent me lashes and I put those on and they look so pretty. They're so easy to put on with the magnetic strip. So far I really like their products and I'm grateful that they sent it to me. So I just wanted to show you the two nails they sent. They sent this one called Strawberry Milk. It's like a medium nail that has like a little cow print in pink. And then they sent me these in I Do, which is a white long nail. And they're super cute. And they have instructions in the back. The packaging is really cute. And so I'm just gonna open the packaging really quickly, get into it. So I'll just show you how I apply my nails for cheap and give you a quick review on these nails because I have tried so many different kinds of nails and I've got a lot of opinions. So as I'm opening these nails, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about GLAMNETIC. So they're female founded, they're based in LA, which is really cool. I'm from the area. They're cruelty free, which we love. They're easy to use and there's even vegan options. So take a look at that. That's what it looks like at the front. And then that's the back, and we'll just open it very quickly and pull out whatever's in it. So there's an alcohol pad. This is the first nail kit I've used that has come with an alcohol pad, so that's interesting. A little nail file, nail glue, and a cuticle stick, and then a little bag of nails. So I'm just going to open those up and then pour them into the little package, the little tray that they sent. So this is how I usually get my super affordable nails done, and something I love about these is that you can reuse them. So once you're done with them, you can reuse them and reshape them and then stick them back on. There's so many different options. It's just so versatile, and they last about 2 weeks if you put them on properly. So the first steps that you're going to do is you're going to use a little cuticle stick to press back your cuticles. So we're going to do that very quickly. So yeah, you're just going to go in and push all the cuticles back using the little stick. And so I'm just going to do that with every finger very quickly. Okay, so now that I'm finished with that, what you're going to do is you're going to clean your nail with a little alcohol wipe. And then is the next step, which I don't love, but this is a lot better than at the salon. So you're going to file down your natural nail. As you know, in the salons they use that machine and it's not good for your nail. So I prefer to do this at home and just like select how filed down I want them. So then you would just use a little file and file your nail. Again, you can like decide how much you want to file them. You don't have to file them that much. The more you file, the longer that they'll stay on. Okay, so now my nails are all filed down. And at this point, it's really easy. You just go through all the nails and find the one that fits you and your nail best. So I'm going to just turn the screen down and kind of show you how I do that. So I've got everything that I need here, and so I usually just start with the pinky finger because I just look for the smallest nail I can find and then use that. So here's the smallest nail I can find, and the way that I check to see if it fits is that I literally just put it on the finger, right? Yep, that fits. And so I'll set that aside. I'll put it like here so that I know which finger it is, and then I'll test the other one that I found that's a similar size, and yep, that fits. Another thing is that these nails usually have a number and they will match and correspond with another nail. So this number is 13. It can be hard to see, but if you look closely in the right light, you can find it pretty easily. So now I'm just gonna go through and keep looking for nails that fit. Okay, so I found another one that fits. This one looks like it fits my pointer finger. It's number 6. So I'm just going to find number 6. Is that 6? It's 6. That was easy. And I'm just going to set it there and remember that it is my pointer finger. Wow, this is going way fast. So I'm just going to do that now with the rest of the fingernails, and I will just tell you a little bit more about why I do this at home versus at the salon. And it's actually very simple because it's cheaper. During the pandemic, I didn't want anyone touching my fingers besides like people I knew and trusted. So obviously this was like a go-to for me. I just wanted to like look nice at home with an easy way that didn't involve paying $60 for cute nails, you know? And I found that with press-on nails, and which is why I was so excited when GLAMNETIC reached out to me and wanted to work with me, because I love press-on nails. Okay, your girl's camera died, but I'm back. So I've matched all of the nails. I found them all. And what we're gonna do next is put them on. So we're gonna get the little glue and we're gonna open it. This is like probably the hardest thing in putting on false nails, is opening this thing. Haha, I got it. Okay, so the next thing that you're gonna do, so I'm actually gonna pan the camera down and you can just watch me do it. Okay, excuse me for this table. I thrifted it and then I refinished it, but it's not perfect because I'm not a carpenter. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is get my little nail. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on my little finger. So the thing about these is a little hard to press, but I've got glue on my little finger, and then I'm gonna put glue on the nail, just at the base, obviously, where the nail will go. Okay, so then I get the nail, and I will make sure it is on straight. Yep, it's on straight. And then I'll press down for about 10 seconds. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Okay, wow, so that's that. So I'll usually just do one finger at a time. So let's go with the next one. Got some glue. I'm gonna get some glue on here. And press it down. Again, make sure it's straight on your finger because sometimes it's crooked. And again, I'm gonna press down for about 10 seconds. And then they're on. Okay? That one was a little crooked and then I just very quickly fixed it. So you have to fix it before it sticks, which gives you a few seconds to correct the mistake, but not that long. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the rest very quickly. This is what they look like. Very pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rest really quickly and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so the nails are finished and I am actually super shook and super excited about it. I'll just show you them very quickly. Focus. So that's the nails. And the print is so cute. And again, they were so easy to put on. I'm actually in love with these. I wasn't sure if I would like the print, but I actually love the print. I'm so excited. But yeah, these are awesome. I'm gonna go try to get my hands on some more because 2 sets is not enough. Again, they're really inexpensive compared to a manicure. Super easy to put on. I usually just do it like on a Sunday night when I'm watching television, just relaxing before work. So the holidays are here and there's a lot of deals right now, and I know GLAMNETIC has some really great deals, so I would definitely go check those out as well. Again, I have a discount code below, so I would check that out. So they have a great discount right now, and I think you'd be missing out if you didn't get your hands on some of these. These are a great gift for your friends and family. I know that I will be gifting my friends some nails because after they saw me put on press-on nails, they were like, where'd you get that? It was done. And I was like, I did it myself. And then they were like, wow. Yeah, they were like, I did it myself. And then they were shook. So thanks for watching. Bye.